Have you ever wondered a hidden waterfall near Bangalore? That's what I would be showing you today virtually. So fasten your belts, let's drive. Good morning, creative people. It's 3 a.m. in the morning, and today we are heading towards Ed Falls, which is 120 kilometers away from here. And Bangalore is so cold now. That's what Bangalore is famous for. But that's part of another video. I'll be showing the parts of the climates, like different kinds of climate Bangalore will be having in another part of a video. But today, coming to this short trip, it's 120 kilometer away from Bangalore, and it can be taken ride for a 1 day. And we will be heading towards now. I am with my friends, and let me introduce them now. So this is one of the waterfall. We will show you in less than 1 minute. Huh? It would be an wonderful experience you would have in your life, especially when you come with your friends and trek this place. We got ready to dive and then only chill while a while. After a long time, I was feeling alive again, living in the moment, enjoying to the fullest. I was lost in this world. So we have decided to play volleyball in the water. It would be nice to play some water games here. It was almost near evening by the time we completed playing. We were ready to leave this beautiful place around 5 pm. But I would recommend to leave this place before 4 pm for safety purpose, as it gets dark soon inside the forest, as well as you need to trek for some more time to reach your bikes. So we are heading back to the spot where we stopped our bike. So you can see here everyone everyone are leaving, and here is the small falls. Yeah, we will be revisiting this place, and I will be sharing some tips at the end from which you can make sure that you can have a perfect trip to this place, which is almost like 120 kilometers, but still you can extend this because it's interior completely. Interior completely, but you can extend. Yeah, you can extend by making a camping, or you can put a tent over here and stay for overnight. No one asks you, but still there is some cons over here where you cannot because we got to know today that there are some cheetahs and elephants, because even I showed you that elephant shit was already there. So I recommend you not to stay here, but still with some precautions you can stay here. So let me give some tips. The tips which I was saying was to travel bag which is like this, which was brought from DMart, right? Cost was around 1000, but it can be weighed any type like this, and to the shoulder way and to the side way also. So for and one more would be having a gear bike which will make you to climb here much easier than the scooty one. and having some food which before coming over will make you having some energy. Energy because you don't get your food anywhere. You should travel around 15 to 20 kilometers. So I would recommend to get some food over here and even have some coming over here. The next step would be making yourself very lightweight because you need to track a lot for this because the roads are not safe, and we got, as I told, we have some cheetahs and elephants over here. So if you want to run or if you want to escape, you should get over there. Means you need to have some safest places. So you should definitely have a shoe. Some travel content like this, which are hidden waterfalls, we would be exploring much more. And this is my team, so we'd be traveling more. So if you like this video, definitely give us subscribe. Hit the like button. Yeah, yes. Definitely. Have some energy to trek because this is how we need to trek and climb to reach back to our bikes. Later we left the place back to our homes and we were so tired and it was too cold inside the forest, by which I could not able to shoot anymore. So that's the end of this adventure. Meet you soon with another exciting travel experience. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Namaste. దొంగ
అరే వియు పక్కపో నంబర్ 1 బుల్షిట్ పక్కపో భాయ్ పక్కపో
ఈ ఒకటి
తీసుకో
క్యారింగ్ బేబీస్
బేబీస్ వెరీ మై బేబీస్ కాల పిల్లలు
అని పెద్దవి ఎత్తుకొని వచ్చినారు కదా
జారిపోతాండి అదో చెట్టుక మూడే ఉన్నాయి పెద్దవి కాదు ముందర పెట్టండి